All right, gonna be installing rear Safari window on the Dormobile. Got all the stuff I need. Finally got all the parts that I needed from Wolfgang to do the installation. I've had the window for a couple of years that I got from a fellow club member. Here we go. Here's the window out. Top looks good, and then we'll definitely need to clean that up. All right, so I had some extra weather stripping from the front Safari install. So I went ahead and installed it so I can see the spacing of the rear Safari. This one came up. So as you can see, the center hole there needs to be here, not here. Without the weather stripping, the center would be here, but with the weather stripping, I'm gonna push it out a little bit. But I went ahead and marked those two with the weather stripping. Got the location for these tabs. I just got to mark, drill those holes. And I'm actually going to rivet. Instead of using a sheet metal screw, I'm going to go ahead and do the rivets. Rear Safaris are installed. Didn't end up riveting them. Used the stainless steel screws that came from Wolfgang. Oops, I installed that one upside down. There we go. There we go. Went ahead and flipped this one around. This one's a little close, but I am able to get them open. And set them up. There we go. Your Safari is done.